Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to create a basic structure of gate wall in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we will learn how to make different parts and then assemble them to make a final assembly. So let's get started with today's tutorial. First we will make this outer body. So go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here select the 2D sketch and click on XY plane. Select the circle command and from this midpoint make a circle of dia 36 mm. Finish sketch and go to extrude. Extrude it from mid plane. So select here symmetric and the distance here will be of 32 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now select this front face. Go to create sketch and from here select polygon, or you may see the rectangle written. So here drag it to polygon. We will select the sides as 6 and select this midpoint. Make this polygon like this. Go to dimensions. Select this top point and this bottom point. The distance between will be 42. Okay. Now go to vertical constraint. Select this point and select this midpoint. So they are vertically aligned with each other. Go to finish sketch. Now go to extrude command and extrude it up to 10 mm. Okay, and OK. Now select this face. Go to create sketch and go to circle command. From this center point make circle of dia 26 mm. Finish and go to extrude command. You want to cut a profile, so go to cut and take here a depth of 13 mm and OK. Okay, now you can see here the cut profile. Now we want to mirror these two features. So from here go to mirror command. Select here extrude 2 and extrude 3 which we want to mirror. Select the mirror plane. Open the origin and we will select the XY plane as the mid plane. Now you can see the profiles. Rotate it and OK. Okay. Now we want to give a chamfer to this profile. So we will select the YZ plane. Go to create sketch and from here take the line command. Select this top point. Make a chamfer profile here. Similarly join this and here take green point and join this. You can do one thing, go to view, go to visual style and change it to wireframe to see the sketch. Now go to sketch and select the dimension. From this point to this line it is 3 mm. Similarly from this point to this point this is 3 mm. Okay. We want chamfer profile both the sides. So go to line. From here you can see the green point is the midpoint. Make a random line here. Escape. Now select this line and make it a construction geometry. Select this profile and here this yellow line. Make them also construction geometry. Only the sketch which we have made should be in solid lines. Now go to mirror and select this profile. Go to mirror line and select this midline. Apply and done. Okay. Now about the axis which it will revolve, go to line. From this center point till here, make one line, escape, and select it and make it a construction center line. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now you can see the profiles. Go to revolve and select this profile and this profile, and the axis here will be the center line. Now you can see. Go to view, visual style, and change it to shaded with edges. Now you can see it is making a new extrude over here, but we want to cut the profile, so from here select cut and OK. Now you can see the chamfer profile, and this was the old. Okay, so go to revolve, 3D model, and we will mirror this also. Go to mirror profile, and the mirror plane will be the same XY plane, and OK. Okay, now you can see the chamfer profiles both the sides. Now we will construct a new plane from the exit plane. So go to plane, select the offset from plane, and select exit plane. The offset distance will be 40 mm, and OK. Now select this new plane, go to create sketch. Now from here we will select the 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point and make a rectangle over here. Go to dimension. The vertical height here will be of 42, and the horizontal height will also be 42 mm. Okay, finish sketch. Now go to extrude command and flip the direction. Here we will take extrude of 3 mm downwards, and OK. Now you can hide this plane. Select this plane one, right click, and turn off the visibility. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. From here go to rectangle command once again, and from this midpoint we will make a rectangle of 37.5, tab 37.5. Okay, now go to 3D model, extrude, flip the direction, go back to join, and here take distance as 13 mm and OK. Okay, now you can see. Now select this top face once again, go to create sketch, select the rectangle command once again, and here make one more rectangle of dimension 36 vertical dimension, tab 26 horizontal dimension. Okay, finish sketch, go to extrude, flip the direction and go back to join, and here we will select 2 and select this face. We want to extrude up to this face. Now you can see the profile will cover up to this face, and OK. Now this will be the view. Now we will select this inner face, go to create sketch and make a circle profile from this center point. Make a circle here of dia 17.5 mm. Enter. Go to 3D model, extrude. We want to cut the profile, so we will drag it backside. You can see the red profile, and here you can also see the cut, and OK. So this is a through cut over here. I'll show you. Okay. Now we will make the inner cut profile over here. For that we will select the YZ plane, go to create sketch and we will change the view to wireframe. So go to view, visual style, and change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch. First we will make the rough inner sketch. Make a line over here. Okay, this profile, a taper profile over here, this, and here make a horizontal and join it up to this top face and close the sketch. Now go to dimension. From this inner radius or inner cut profile, we will go to project geometry, project this line, go to dimension. From this line, the distance here will be of 1 mm. So we are giving a 1 mm depth cut over here, and the horizontal distance is 7 mm. The distance from here to here will be of 18 mm, and the height here will be 10 mm. Similarly, this distance from center line will be at 10 mm, and from this point to center line will be at 9 mm. Okay. Now the height of this line will be 26 mm. Okay, so this will be the complete profile. You can see all the dimensions. Now finish sketch and go to revolve command. You can see the profile is automatically selected. Go to cut, and the axis we will select this line. Go to view, change the visual style to shaded with edges. Now you can see the cut profile over here, and okay. Now this is the body of the gate wall. You can save it. Go to save. I have already made the gate wall assembly, so I'll make a new folder over here only. Gate wall 2, and here we will save this part as body. You can mark the number first 1.body. Okay, so this will be the folder in which we will save all the parts. Now we will assign the appearance color to it. From here we'll go to S, and we will take the smooth light gold. So we have taken all the outer body as smooth light gold. You can see here, to make it a standard color. And save it. Now go to new, and we will make the new next part, standard part in millimeter, and create. Now we are going to make the union part. You can double click this. This part will look like this. By double clicking the part in assembly, you can activate it and see all its features. Now double click the assembly. Now we are back to the assembly. Now go to 2D sketch and select the XY plane. Go to line command. Make a line from this center point. A distance here will be 50 mm. Escape. Now select this line. Make it a construction geometry. Now go to line command once again, and from here make the rough profile first. This till here, like this, and till here, and join it back. Okay, so this will be a closed profile. Now go to dimensions. Here the distance from the center line will be 6 mm. and we will give this height as 8 mm. Go to dimension, this as 11, okay, and give this height as 5.3. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now they are horizontally aligned, okay. Now go to dimension and give this as 11. Now give this height as 1, okay. Now we will assign this as 7 mm and this as 10 mm, okay. Now you can see the sketch is fully constrained. Now we will make one more sketch over here. Go to line command, here make one more sketch till here, escape, go to line, make line here, taper line and make it up to this and till here, okay, and escape. This is also first the rough profile. Now go to arc command, from this point to this point make one arc. Go to dimension, from this center till here this will be 20. Dimension once again, from here to here this will be 18. Now give it, I think 13 will be okay, 13, and this height here will be of 1 mm and this horizontal height will be of 2 mm. Match this, for this drag it inside and here, okay. Give this height as 2 mm and go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. This is horizontally aligned. Go to dimension, the total dimension here will be of 12 mm and height is given, escape. Go to tangent constraint, select this line and select this. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point, okay. So this will be the profile. The complex profile always shift after giving dimensions. So these are the two profiles which we have made here. Finish sketch and here go to revolve, select this profile and select this profile, go to axis and select the center line and okay. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. From here go to polygon, 6 sides. From this center point make a straight polygon, go to dimension. The outer to outer dimension of this will be 27 and go to circle command, make from this center point make a circle of dia 18, okay. View, change the view to wireframe, you can see the circle now. Go to sketch, from here go to vertical constraint or take the horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point, finish sketch. Now go to extrude, change the view, visual style to shaded with edges and select this inner profile. Here we'll take 2, rotate it and select this face. The extrude will be up to this face and okay. So this will be the profile of union. Assign it a color, the smooth light and gold we will give here also. So you can drag it to smooth light gold. Okay, this is smooth light gold. Okay, now save it. Save it as 2 point union. The folder of saving will be the same, git vault 2, and save it over here. Now we will construct the third part. We will construct a inner part now. So we will construct this part, the wag wall. I'll double click it. So this is the inner part which we will develop now. It is at the bottom of this wall. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now go to 2D sketch and from here select the XY plane. Go to line command. Here first make the profile this like this and close it. Okay, and go to rectangle. From here we will take the 2-point rectangle. From this base we will construct a rectangle. Now go to dimension. This dimension here will be of 9 mm. Okay, and this bottom will be of 7 mm. The height of this profile will be 22. Okay, for top profile, this profile will from here will be at 4 and this from here will be at 7. Okay, and this height will be of 19 mm. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now go to 3D model, select revolve, select both the profiles and the axis. This will be the axis of rotation and OK. Now you can see the profile. But in assembly you can see a whole profile is here. To make this whole, go to origin and we will select the XY plane and go to create sketch. Now we will change the view, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe and go to sketch. From here go to 2-point center rectangle and make a rectangle profile over here. Go to dimension. From bottom this will be at a height of 3.5 and the width of this will be 12 and height 16.5 mm. Okay. Now go to vertical constraint, select this midpoint and select the center point. It is vertically aligned. Now finish sketch and change the view, visual style to shaded with edges. Now you can see that's why we don't make sketch over here. Go to 3D model and go to extrude. Now it is selected the sketch. You want to cut the profile, so select cut. From here select symmetric and drag this arrow out and OK. Now this is the cut profile from front view. Now save this, save it as wag or 3 dot wag wall and save it. Assign the color. This color you can see, give any. This is internal part, so we have given glossy gold. Okay, and save. Now we will construct the fourth part. Go to assembly. We made this part. assembly, double click. Now we will make this handle. Now go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now select the 2D sketch and click on exit plane, rotate this view, and here go to line command, make a straight line here of dimension 32 mm and taper line here, escape. Go to coincident, select this point and select this point, center point. Now go to dimension, give this a dimension here of 30-degree angle, escape. Now drag this down and go to mirror, select this line, go to mirror line and select this line, apply and done. Okay. Now select all the 3 lines and make them construction geometry. Now go to arc command, select this end and select this end and make a arc. Go to dimension and give this a radius of 14 mm. Okay. Now go to coincident, select this arc and select this midpoint. Now this is fully constrained. Now from here go to circular pattern, select this profile, go to axis. For axis select this midpoint and here we will take a count of 6. Go to more settings and uncheck associate and OK. Okay. Now we will give fillet between each arc. So go to fillet, take here radius of 8 mm and select these two. Similarly here, this and this. Okay, and escape. If you do not provide any fillet, you would not be able to use the sweep command. Go to finish sketch. Now we will make the new plane for making the profile. Go to plane. Here select this point where the arc is ending and select this arc. Okay. Select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view, select, go to project geometry and select this point. You can see a yellow point over here. Go to circle command and on this point we will make a circle of dia 8 mm. Okay. Now finish. Now go to sweep command, select this circular profile. For path, select this as path and OK. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now you can hide the plane. Select this, right click and turn off the visibility. Now we will make the between is assembly. Okay, we will make this portion. So go to 2D sketch and here select the XZ plane. Go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of dia 18 mm. Go to 3D model, select X2, go to home. Here we will make a symmetric X2. Okay, and take extrude of 8 mm and OK. Now we will make these rib profiles. So from here we will select the YZ plane, go to create sketch and change the view to wireframe. Now you can see the midpoint. Go to sketch and select circle. From this midpoint make a circle of dia 6 mm. Finish sketch and go to extrude command. Drag it inside this profile. From top we will show you. From top view will look like this. Go to view, visual style, shaded with edges. It will look like this in shaded. And we will take join and OK. Now go to 3D model, go to circular pattern, select this, extrude to, go to rotation axis and select this circular profile. Rotate to home and select this circular profile. Count here will also be 6 and OK. OK. Now select this top, go to create sketch. We will make a slot to assemble this. Here you can see this. So go to rectangle and take 2 point center rectangle. From this center point, make 6 tab 6 mm. Okay. Go to 3D model, extrude, rotate the direction. It will go to cut and OK. So it's a through cut. From top it will look like this. Now you can assign the color. From here we will take the blue wall paint glossy. Okay. And save it. Save it as part 4 and handle wheel. Save. Okay. Now we will make the 5th part. So go to assembly, double click this and double click on this top. You can see now we will make this spindle which will connect the handle with the bottom wall. So go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here select 2D sketch and click on XY plane. Go to line command. From this center point, make a line of dimension 96 mm. Okay. Now go to this horizontal profile. Here we are making first a rough sketch as you always do till this bottom and join it. Okay. Now this is a closed profile. Go to dimension. Here first we will give the vertical dimensions. Give this as 34 mm. This dimension as 17 mm. This dimension will be 3 and this dimension will be 42 automatically due to 96 we have given. Okay. Now from here to here this will be 3 mm and this dimension here will be 4 mm. Now this slot, this will be of 6 mm. Okay. So this is the profile. Now finish sketch and we'll select here revolve. The axis of rotation will be this and OK. Okay. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Here go to rectangle command and select 2 point center rectangle. Select this midpoint. Here the rectangle will be of 6, tab 6. Okay. Go to 3D model, extrude, extrude it up to 6 mm and OK. Okay. So this is a spindle. Go to save, save it as part 5 spindle. Okay, and save. You can assign it a color. From here we will take engine turned, you can take, or you can take a black color. So from here take black. Okay, black cast. and save it. Now we will make the next part. So go to assembly, double click the assembly. Now we will make the next part. So this will be the next part, the sixth part which we have already mentioned, gland nut. Double click this. So this will be the gland nut part. So go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. From here select 2D sketch and select the exact plane, rotate the view. From here select polygon of side 6. From this center point make a polygon and go to dimensions. This straight line here will be of 14 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center. Okay, now it is constrained. Go to 3D model and extrude. We'll take a symmetric extrude here of dimension 15 mm and OK. Now rotate this, select this bottom face, go to create sketch, select the circle command, go to circle and we will make a circle here of 20 mm. Go to 3D model, extrude, extrude it inside, so flip the direction. Here it will change it to cut and the depth here will be of 12 mm and OK. OK. Now change the view. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Here go to circle command. From this center point make circle of dia 8 and go to 3D model and extrude. Select this inner circle, flip the direction. It is a through cut, so drag it outside and OK. Now you can see the top view, it is a through cut. So now save it. This will be part 6 and its name is gland nut and save it. Okay. Assign this a color, Autodesk material library, or select Autodesk appearance library and here take smooth golden. So for smooth will come down. Okay, smooth we have light golden. Okay, and save. Now we have made 6 parts. Now we'll move to next. So go to assembly 1. Now we'll make gland part. Double click this. Now it will activate the gland. So this will be the gland. Now go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. From here select the 2D sketch and we will select the XY plane. First we will make the center line. So go to line. From this point make a straight line, escape. Select this line and make it a reference. Now go to line command, make a line over here, this profile till here, here and till here. Okay, escape. Now go to trim and trim this extra profile. Go to dimension, take the total dimension of this will be 9 mm and this total will be, okay, go to dimension. This from this center line will be at 9 mm. This profile from here will be at 4.5 and here this distance will be 2 and this distance from here will be at 7 and this height of 2 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select this edge and select the center point. Now you can see it is fully constrained. Go to 3D model, revolve, select this profile. For axis, select this line and OK. OK. Now save it. Save it as part 7 and this part name is gland. So G L A N and save. OK. Assign it color. Go to Autodesk Appearance Library and take here from S. We will take this smooth color, smooth light golden. Okay, and save it. Now we have made this assembly part. Now we will go to next part, that will be the nut at the top. So double click this and double click this nut. Okay, we will make this nut proper. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here go to 2D sketch and select the XZ plane, rotate the profile. Go to polygon and select the here a polygon command of 6 edge sides. From this center make a polygon. Go to dimension and here we will take this outer dimensions of 20. Okay. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this center point. Go to finish and select the extrude. We will take a symmetric extrude here of dimension 7 mm and OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch and go to circle command. From this center point make a circle of dia 6. Go to 3D model, extrude and we will drag it down to cut the profile and OK. Now here we will make the side chamfers for this. Now we will select the XY plane and go to create sketch, rotate the view and here change the view to visual style to wireframe. Go to sketch, take the line command. From this end point make a line here of 2 mm and join till here. Similarly a vertical line of 2 mm. Escape. Go to dimension, assign this dimension of 2. Now we will make a center line. Go to line command. From here till the center point we will construct a line. Escape. Select this and make it a construction line. Select this and this projected line, make them construction. Now go to mirror and select this profile. Go to mirror line and select this center line, apply and done. Now go to 3D model, revolve, select both these profiles and for axis we will select here, rotate it like this. For axis we will select the Y axis and we will select here cut. Go to view, visual style, take shaded with edges. You can see the chamfer file and OK. So this is the chamfer file over here. This is the nut. Visual style will take opaque, opal we will take. OK. And save it. Save it as part 8 nut. Okay. Now we will make the last part, the union. So go to assembly and we will select here first, open the assembly and hide these parts, or you can just hide this, right click and turn off the visibility. Here we have unions, so double click this. So this part we will make first. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter, go to create. Now go to 2D sketch and select the XY plane. Here we will select a 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension, height of this will be 10 mm and the width will be of 4 mm. From this center point it will be 4 mm and go to horizontal constraint, select this point and this point. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Go to line command, make a center line over here, escape, select this line, make it construction. Now from here go to 3D model and select revolve, and the axis of revolution will be this, and OK. Now go to 2D sketch and from origin select YZ plane. Here we will select 2-point rectangle, go to view, change the visual style to wireframe and make the rectangle. Go to sketch, the dimension of this will be 2 mm and this also 2 mm. Now go to vertical constraint, select this center point, the green point. Okay, go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select this center point. It is a line. Go to 3D model, select extrude and take symmetric extrude, drag it out and make it a cut. Go to view, visual style and shade it with edges. So this will be the cut and OK. Now you can assign it a color. I have given it a copper polished and save it. Save it part 9 as inner union and save. Okay. Now we will make the complete assembly. So close this part also and go to assemble. Now this is the previous made assembly. Go to new, take a standard assembly in millimeter and create. Now go to place and this folder will open, gatefold 2. First we will assemble the body 1. We will drag it to assembly and open, and here escape. Now you can see the movement of this body is in any direction or free movement is here. We will first change the view, change it to shaded with edges, and this too I'll change it back to gray room, okay, in which we were previously working. Now to make this constraint, we'll open its origin. This is body's origin and this origin is of assembly. So we'll match all the planes of these two. Go to assemble, go to constraint, select YZ of assembly and YZ of body. Apply, exit, exit. As it's going down, so click here on flush and apply. Now XY and XY, apply. Okay. Now see, select this. Now you are not able to drag it anywhere, so it will make the assembly constraint. Now go to place, We'll place the inner part first. So we will place the wag wall and open. Select here and we'll click on escape. Go to constraint and rotate it. Select this bottom face and for body select its innermost face at the bottom, okay, and apply. Now click on this, okay. Now select this outer face of this wall, so it will select the axis, and select this circle to select the axis and apply. Okay, now you can see there is a movement of wall, so the wall will open to make the fluid flow. Now we will place the third part. Go to place once again and we will select the spindle, open and place it over here. Escape. Go to constraint, select this center line and here select this center line. As you can see, it is in opposite direction, so click here on aligned and apply. Okay, escape. Now drag this part outside and go to constraint and select the bottom face of the spindle and here select the innermost face of the wag wall and apply. Okay, now you can see. Now select the spindle, open its origin and open origin of this wall. So we will do the movement constraint and this is the okay. Go to constraint, select YZ of this wall and YZ of spindle and apply. Okay, due to this, if you move this spindle, the wall will also rotate. You can see the rotation over here. If I rotate it, so this wall will also rotate. Okay. Now click on this edge. Now we will place the next part. Go to place. Here we will give the inner union, open and place it over here. Escape. Now go to constraint, select this inner axis and select this axis, select this, okay, and click here to align and apply. Okay, now drag it here and go to constraint, select its top face, rotate and select here the spindles this face and apply. Okay, now but here we want the quantity of this inner union as 2. So from here we will go to mirror. This is for mirror components. Select this, go to mirror plane. To mirror plane we will select this face. Okay, so here you can see one more inner union is made. Next and okay. Okay, now you can see this coupling. Now we will place the other parts. Go to place. Now we will start with the outer parts. So we will keep the union, the second part and open. Place it over here and escape. Go to constraint, select its axis and select this axis. Go to aligned and apply. Okay, drag it up, go to constraint, select this face, rotate it and select this bottom face. and apply. Okay. Now go to place. From here we will select gland nut. Open. Place it over here. Skip. Go to constraint. Select this axis and select this axis. Here click aligned and apply. Select this edge, rotate it and select this face. Apply. Okay. Now we will make the placement of other part. Go to place and place it gland. Open. Place it over here. Escape. Go to constraint. Select this axis and select this axis. Click here align and apply. Now select this face, rotate it and select this outer face and apply. Now we will place the next part. Go to place. We will place the handle wheel. Open. Keep it here and escape. Go to constraint. Select this side. Okay. And select this side. Apply. Similarly, select this inner side and here select this inner side and apply. Now it is constrained. Now we will place the last part, the nut. So go to place and select the nut, the 8th part. Open and place it over here. Go to constraint, select this axis and here select this axis. Apply. Select this face and select this bottom face. Okay, and apply. Skip. Okay, here is a movement. So to make this movement constraint, go to constraint, select this face and select this face of gland and apply. Now you can see all parts are complete. Now what we have done, now if you rotate this, you can see this wall will also rotate. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D model of or a gate wall in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.